Hello students, let's read this question. Find the common factors of the given terms. So let's start the solution. So in first, we need to find out the factors of 12x and 36. So factors of 12x will be 2 into 2 into 3 into x. Similarly, factors of 36 will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. As we can see, we have three common factors which are 2, 2 and 3. So we can write from here that common factors are 2, 2 and 3. Now move on to the second one, in which we have to find out the common factors of 2y and 22xy. So factors of 2y will be 2 into y. Similarly, factors of 22xy is equals to 2 into y into 11 into x. So as we can see, we have two common factors here, which are, we can say, common factors are 2 comma y. Now move on to the third one, that is factors of 14 pq and 28 p square q square. Here factors of 14 pq will be 2 into 7 into p into q. Similarly, factors of 28 p square q square will be 2 into 7 into p into q into 2 into p into q. As we can see, here we have common factors are 2, 7, p and q. So the common factors are 2, 7, p, q. Now move on to the fourth one, that is factors of 2x, 3x square and 4. So factors of 2x will be 2 into x. Similarly, factors of 3x square will be 3 into x into x, and factors of 4 will be 2 into 2. So as we can see, the factor that is common in all of them is 1. So we can say that common factor is 1. Now move on to the fifth one, that is factors of 6abc, 24ab square and 12a square b. So factors of 6abc will be 2 into 3 into a into b into c. Similarly, factors of 24ab square will be 2 into 3 into a into b into b into 2 into 2. So as we can see, the common fact again, factors of 12a square b will be 2 into 3 into a into b into a into 2. So as we can see, the factors which are common in all of them are 2, 3, a, b. So let's write it down. The common factors are 2, 3, a, b. Similarly, in sixth, we have to find out the common factors of 16x cube, minus 4x square and 32x. So factors of 16x cube will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into x into x into x. Similarly, factors of minus 4x square will be minus 1 into 2 into 2 into x into x. Now factors of 32x will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into x. So the common factors will be 2, again 2 and x. So let's write it down. The common factors are 2, 2, x. Now move on to the seventh one. Here the common factors of 10 PQ, 20 QR and 30 RP will be for 10 PQ. The factors are 2 into 5 into P into Q. Similarly, for 20 QR, the factors will be 2 into 5 into 2 into Q into R. Similarly, for factors for 30 RP will be 2 into 5 into 3 into R into P. So the common factors will be 2 and 5. So let's write it down. Common factors are 2, 5. Similarly, for 8, we have to find out the common factors of 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square and 6x square y square z. So the factors of 3x square y cube will be 3 into x into x into y into y into y. Similarly, factors of 10x cube y square will be 2 into 5 into x into x into x into y into y. Now move on to the third one, that is 6x square y square z. This will be 2 into 3 into x into x into y into y into z. So the common factors will be x, x, y, y. That means we can write that common factors are x, x, y, y. So we have found out the common factors for the given terms. So hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.